be here. Everyone here is talking about machine learning and artificial intelligence and how that can actually be delivered through Qubole.
With the sheer attendance of this conference here, the big data cloud market in the UK is booming, and it's awesome that Qubole is here to kind of help these customers and engaging with them and offering them solutions.
So as you've just seen, we've just talked about how machine learning and artificial intelligence have come out of science fiction, and now we're using them in practical terms to solve real customer issues. I'm delighted that we can do that. Our data science capability has been great, and it's the first time that I feel our real data products are making it into market. And I'm super excited to be doing that in conjunction with our partners at Qubole. It's an incredible platform that allows us to scale big data, but make it manageable, reproducible, and scale for us to bring to market the real benefits for our end customers so they can introduce and get the ROI that they need from their email programs.
That's a wrap for Big Data World London 2018. It was a great show for us. Look forward to participating again next year. And if you want to learn more about Qubole, just go to qubole.com.